Funded by the APC people. It's a sign of calling you to join us. APC have given you a wonderful platform that everybody know, even somebody that don't know you before he see you differently. But now that you are in FCT, when you are in Rivers, you are in PDP, he see you different. But now he see you as a wonderful person. It's a call for you to join us fully. Let me thank you, Honorable Minister, for what you have been doing, for the way you support Mr. President to achieve this Renew Hope agenda of Mr. President. Because FCT, what you are doing in FCT have shown that the Renew Hope agenda is real, is coming to stay, and people will see it. And I'm very happy for that. Because where I am today, I have never known this place in my life. And I don't think if I will be in Abuja for the next 20 years again, I will know this place. But because of you, because of what you have for the people of the FCT, the indigenous, and to develop the remote area, the cellular towns, I'm sure before even now you have visited here, maybe 2 or 3 times, that we are in Abuja since we have never visited. I really thank you. I really